Welcome to this quick and powerful IELTS vocabulary booster. Here are 15 band 9 words with their synonyms and examples to help you improve your writing and speaking. Let's get started. 1. Significant. Synonyms: important, meaningful. Example: a significant improvement in health. 2. Enhance. Synonyms: improve, boost. Example: this policy will enhance public safety. 3. Mitigate. Synonyms: reduce, alleviate. Example: we must mitigate the effects of pollution. 4. Deteriorate. Synonyms: decline, worsen. Example: the environment is deteriorating rapidly. 5. Substantial. Synonyms: considerable, extensive. Example: there is substantial evidence to support the claim. 6. Consequently. Synonyms: as a result, therefore. Example: he didn't study, consequently, he failed. 7. Pivotal. Synonyms: crucial, essential. Example: education is pivotal to development. 8. Predominant. Synonyms: main, leading. Example: the predominant cause of stress is overwork. 9. Inevitable. Synonyms: unavoidable, certain. Example: change is inevitable in life. Synonyms: claim, state. Example: she asserted her right to speak. 11. Viable. Synonyms: feasible, practical. Example: we need a viable solution to this problem. 12. Exacerbate. Synonyms: worsen, intensify. Example: noise pollution exacerbates sleep disorders. 13. Advocate. Synonyms: support, recommend. Example: I advocate for free education for all. 14. Alleviate. Synonyms: ease, relieve. Example: medicine alleviates the pain. 15. Comprehensive. Synonyms: thorough, complete. Example: we need a comprehensive strategy. Which word was new to you? Comment below and try using it in a sentence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IELTS tips. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!